What's up, fellas? What's the deal, fellas? What is the deal? We gonna start at 8:05. What's up? 3 in the building. We'll start at 8:05. What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? What's up, Penny Eater? Peace, peace, peace. We're about to start here in a little bit. I'm just gonna download some stuff real fast. You know what I'm talking about? Well, we reserve all of our rights, and we do not waive any. Okay, we don't waive any. You know what I'm talking about? I invited G Alex. I invited him, and I guess he gonna come on. I don't know, but got some shit to show y'all. Just some basic shit. You know what I'm talking about? A lot of people putting up some nonsense, man, about the Social Security. You know what I mean? The bitch don't get your Social Security number, you won't be on child support. It's just that simple. These niggas out here just fooling you, taking your money, buying up cigarettes and beer, and having sex with animals and shit, cats and shit like that. You know what I mean? Real talk. I'm gonna show y'all some basic shit again, like I normally do. And if you don't get it, you know what I mean, you need to start reading more. Because let me tell y'all something, fellas. You ready for this? Your reading level is gonna determine what you're gonna have in life. Right? These other niggas ain't gonna tell you that. Cause they can't read. Real talk. Okay, he online. Okay, I can't hear you. Hold on a second. Let me see something. Wait a minute. Yo. G Alice, can you hear me? Yo. G Alice, can you hear me? Yo. G Alice, can you hear me? Yo. Well, I'll let G Alex take over while I sit up here and get this stuff to show. Well, let's do it this way. We on the phone, you know what I mean? I gotta still gotta work the perks out. So while you on here, they can hear you, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Hey, if y'all can hear me, say something. Type something.
Type something if y'all can hear him. Oh, they say yes. All right, we good. We in there. So we're gonna do it like this, man, because this shit is crazy, dog.
Right.
Yeah, because Scully had a question earlier. He was saying about they hearing a lot of this social security thing, and you know from who, the guy that smoked cigarettes and drank beer. It's telling them about the social security shit, right?
Right.
Can you elaborate on that?
Well, hold on. Let Let me. All right, hold on. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I was getting feedback. So, what about the Social Security was he talking about?
About they owe the Social Security owes the debt, right?
Okay. All right. First of all, one, y'all got people giving y'all wrong information. Now, they mean well, because, in the good book it says, forgive them for they not know what they do. They mean well, but they're not correct. The Social Security does not owe a debt, okay? They are an investment company. Get that straight. What they do is they invest in stocks and bonds, and your Social Security that you pay into goes into the stock market. The states borrow from that pool of money. Not only do they get performance bonuses, performance bonuses, incentives, but they also get loans that they have to pay back to the Social Security Administration. So the only people who owe the Social Security Administration are the states when they borrow. And I don't know if any of you know, but if you look on Dun & Bradstreet, you can look up the child support agency in your county, and you can see that their credit score sucks. That's the first thing. So there's a lot of misinformation, a lot of made up stuff going on online from a lot of people. It's made up. You cannot find what they're talking about anywhere in law. Nowhere. And honestly, if you call the Social Security Administration, they are transparent. They will tell you that, your money is being traded on the stock market. You can ask them under 42 USC, blah, 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 are you loaning monies to the state? They have to say, yeah. As long as you know where the code that says that. But, that's a lie. They lying to you. They don't know.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I like to say peace. Thank you for the 8 that's in here, because we don't lead a whole bunch of dumbass niggas over here in the first place. Because there's more dummies out here than it is smart people. Because I'm going to tell you something. You're not buying no books. You ain't getting in these books. Guess what? Your ass ain't getting off child support. You still gonna have these. You still gonna have these problems, right? Because the rest of these niggas is doing this scary ass sovereign citizen bullshit. Talking about. Let me tell you something. When you out here in the public and you talking about the government this and the government that, don't your ass know you on the list when you start talking that shit?
Yep.
Okay, you gonna guess who the government is? We are. We the motherfucking government. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes. Yes.
We the government. Real talk. Because check this out. Everybody likes shit that sound good, but what the goddamn results at? What are niggas that's getting off of child support with this, talking about this Social Security shit? All this old stupid ass madness. What they at?
Right.
Niggas on YouTube want to be famous because they life one ran out. You know what I'm talking about? Hiding in their mama's house, they basement and shit. You know what I'm talking about? In a room in the corner and shit. Real talk. And I'm just looking and laughing at shit. We got testimonies over in this bitch. Am I lying, my brother?
No, you're not lying. You're not lying, man. For the last, several years, man. We've been deep in this. And what people don't know is we don't get on here and show all our weapons. And because we don't do that, they can't intercept it. But in addition to that, man, like I said, we've helped a lot of people out with a lot of stuff. Driver's license, warrants, even paternity cases. There's a certain way you got to do it, man. Here's the thing. I don't see nobody on YouTube or outside of YouTube, for that matter, properly giving people the answer. You know, they're teaching them about the 4D laws and what it is and stuff, but they not giving it to you like how should I say this? They're giving you stuff you can't go into the courtroom and argue. Put it that way.
Let me stop you there. I'm finna, we talking about the baby mama, right? What's the title?
Yeah.
What's the title?
Hold on. Can you see it? Oh, she threatened to put you on child support reparations.
Okay, she threatened to put your ass on child support, right?
Yep.
So, bam, I got the shit up right here on the screen. You got an administrator. You got an administratrix, right?
Yeah.
I'm pointing at the screen, administratrix, right here. Administratrix Strux is a woman. So she is acting as your administrator, my nigga. So she goes down there after she threatens your ass and takes your social and your birth. Sometimes don't even need your social. They can just use your birth date and where you live at, my nigga. But 9 times out of 10, that bitch go through your drawers, all types of shit. You know what I mean? If you don't know this trust law shit, your ass is grass, player. You don't know this business law, your ass is grass, player. You don't know this contract law, your ass is grass, player. And if you don't know how to state a fucking claim, the number one thing to somebody whoever did something to you, and y'all finding all these bullshit, these forms, these color of law forms and all this old shit, just trying to get a way out. I'm gonna tell you something. That shit is on the record. They're gonna put your ass on there, and that shit, the color law form, that shit is only for discrimination. And how the fuck are they discriminating you on what? Can you please explain that to me? How you being discriminated upon? Because I'm telling you something, I'm gonna come up with a testimony. A lot of motherfuckers gonna be mad. It's gonna be a video. A lot of motherfuckers gonna be mad. Ask me, do I give a fuck?
Do you give a fuck?
I don't, because it shows you this channel is for readers, people who read books. We're gonna break this down. Look at this. Both terms refer to personal representative who administers the estate of the descendant. Right?
Right.
And then executor is named in the will, whereas an administrator, are you dead yet? But guess what? Let me hit y'all with something. Are you dead yet? So you got these niggas talking about my all cap name is a fictitious entity, right?
Right.
So it's like they're administrating your will right there with child support. But your dumb ass going there and saying you dead. That ain't you. You the beneficiary of that, not crazy ass shit.
Right.
They laughing at niggas who pull this shit. I'm the one who went to school with these motherfuckers. These other niggas ain't got those credentials. There's one other dude on here. I give it to him. I cussed this bitch ass out too, because he a pussy too on the cool.
Paralegal, what you call it?
Query.
Yeah.
LQ, you know what I mean? He's second. He below me though. You know what I mean? But check this out. He put up some good information how to do some shit. You know what I mean? That's the only nigga I listen to. All these other clown ass niggas? No, bruh. No, But I got his ass beat though. You know what I mean? Because these.
Here's why I have a problem. Here's why I have a problem with it, bro. I have a problem with people who are genuinely frauding the people. You know what I'm saying? What they're doing is they're messing it up for everybody by going to these courtrooms and putting crap on the record. You know what I'm saying? And once you do that, you mess up your chances in the future. Because you got some BS on the record, they never gonna listen to you. For real.
I'm finna put that shit up right now. I'm talking about that color law form.
Yeah. Man, let me tell you, look, y'all want to know what that color law form is? That's a poor man's way of writing a claim. That's all that is. That, look, and Wasil gonna tell you a little bit more about it, but that's a poor man's way of writing a claim.
Let me read this shit. Let me break this shit down to y'all. You ready for this? Let me break this shit down to y'all. Violation warning, denial of rights under color of law. You put your
right.
Thank you. What rights are y'all talking about? What are they denying you? A privilege, my nigga? A privilege to have a driver's license? Let me tell you something about that game. Niggas is paying to get their driver's license back. Ain't nobody fooling me on none of that shit. Pay the shit, get your driver's license back. But we the first niggas that ain't have to pay nothing.
They paying it or they making a promise to pay?
Making a promise to pay and still fighting. And if you was smart, you don't need no driver's license. If you was smart. But a lot of niggas ain't smart because they doing this madness. But anyway, that's on a whole nother level. Check this.
Zoom in on that. Zoom in on it.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it a little better.
Now check this out. I certify the foregoing information. Now look at this here. Legal notice and warning. Federal law provides that a crime to violate the rights of a citizen under color of law. You can be arrested in this crime, and you can also be held personally liable for civil damages. Okay, what civil damages?
Right.
What did they do to you?
That's a janky way to write a claim.
What are they doing? Who is this shit made by? Public domain privacy form, right?
Ain't no such thing. That's stupid. That's a stupid form.
Warning, you may be. It didn't say you will be in federal violation, federal law, and persisting with your demand may lead to your arrest. Now I'm gonna ask y'all something. Who gonna arrest these? Who gonna arrest these people that's working in the child support office? These niggas who putting up this shit? You can't. These niggas can't even check their baby mama. How the fuck they gonna arrest somebody?
Thank you.
I just see nothing but foolery and stupidity up on this motherfucker. And what's
hold on. Hey, talk about the citizen part.
The citizen part? Oh, okay. Check this out. Wait, let me see. The citizen part right here. Citizen, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they claim they what? As a citizen, they what? They not the fictitious entity, right?
Uh-huh.
So if you call these niggas by their name, are they gonna answer?
They gonna answer. They'll be like, huh?
Now check this out. Check this out. The citizen, does it say a United States citizen or does it say a state citizen?
Ooh. Hey,
see,
1983 color of law claims is for states. So you're a state citizen.
Yes. Yes. So if you're a state citizen, nigga, guess what? The state issues child support and they got jurisdiction over your motherfucking ass. I'm gonna tell you something. They got jurisdiction on your motherfucking ass when that bitch go down there and give up your information, nigga.
That's right.
So these bitch ass niggas out here still ignoring these hoes or what they doing. Good, they cursed. They ass need to be cursed. Cause you've been warned for 3 fucking years. Okay. These are the niggas who can't get no pussy, who love eating pussy. You know what I'm talking about? I done had more pussy than these niggas on YouTube. You know what I mean? Dick sucked and all. Fuck cousin and put like this. Let me hit you with something. My first baby mama cousin fucked her. I said, "What's up? Do you know you kin and such and such? You know who my baby mama is, right?" She like, "Yeah." I said, "Do you care for them folks?" Hell no, fuck them. What's up with that dick? What's up with that dick though? See, bitches are dirty, man. It's a lot of niggas out here that's fucking cowards, okay? And the ones who ain't fucking cowards gonna get off. We got 6 in here, and I'm glad for the 6. Thank you, 6, for staying. Because it goes to prove that it's more bitch ass niggas in this world than it is men.
Word.
Real talk, because I ain't doing this shit for validation. And all the niggas got the validation, ain't got no results. They just want to be heard and be famous. Because if you pull up their rap sheet, they ain't shit. They ain't done shit. And they up under a fucking woman. I fucking guarantee you that, nigga. Real talk. The bitch threatened these niggas to put you on child support, and that's her reparations. And she going out to the club tonight to go get fucked. Niggas putting up all types of shit to get them out some shit that the bitch put them in or they put themselves in. Yes, ain't getting out child support.
Child support is the feminist women's reparations. These feminist women stood up and said, "Oh, we need the right to vote. Oh, we getting tired of being third-class citizens." They gave them reparations with this stupid ass Title 4D law, which means every baby they have, they can get money. That is their reparations.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I'm finna share something else with her. I'm just finna get these niggas basic shit, bro. Basic shit.
That's all it takes. Zoom in on that. Zoom.
What's a fucking order? An authoritative command court order. From what court?
Authoritative, huh? So that means jurists. They gotta have jurists over you, right?
Right.
How many y'all challenging jurisdiction instead of I'm not the straw?
No, niggas is going there and saying, hey, I'm the beneficiary for that all caps name.
Man, why you want they stupid? You know what? Everybody on YouTube is jumping on that sovereign citizen bandwagon. Sovereign citizen deals with secure party creditor, straw man theory, birth certificate authentications, and what else? There's another one. But anyway, it's fanciful and it's delusional. See, none of them can show you where, none of them can show you where in law this stuff actually works. None of them. You know what I'm saying? And doing presentations with handwritten presentations with no sources, man, you can look. We showing you a source right now. You get what I'm saying? You got, and I ain't even gonna call it no names. I don't even want to call it no names. Y'all know when y'all hear them. There's one guy doing podcasts and stuff, webinars and stuff. Look, peace to the brother, but he's on the wrong track. He's leading you blind.
Man, fuck that nigga. Fuck it.
And we know for a fact he calls every one of y'all stupid and is intentionally taking your money for no reason.
Let me hit you with something. When I first hit the scene, the nigga talked to me and said, hey man, fuck these niggas. I'm just taking their money. They stupid.
And it's the same guy charging y'all $50, $20, $100 for information that he's making up. He's just making this stuff up. He's using you as an experiment. And y'all gonna go on there and argue this stuff. Let me tell you something. And you only go get that here. See, the information we give you is practical. We ain't making up stuff. We ain't trying to put y'all on a chance. We will never put you in a position where you're going to take a risk on some stuff that don't work. See, let me tell you something. We get different responses than what they get. They get responses like, oh, they made this up. This is fanciful and delusion. We get stuff that make them shake. Oh, well, let's set up a meeting. Let's talk about this. That's the kind of responses we get. Look on the screen. Tell them what you got on the screen, brother.
It says, administrative writ of withholding, fellas. Administrative writ of withholding means the document is issued by a Title 4D agency or domestic relations office and delivered to an employer directing the earnings being withheld for payment of child support as provided by 158. Right? Look at this shit. Alleged father. Alleged father means a man who alleges himself to be, right? Or is alleged to be by that bitch, your baby mama, the genetic father, or a possible genetic father of a child, but whose paternity has not been determined. So guess what? If you go tell these people, no, thank you, I don't want your services, guess what? They can't fuck with you. Why is that so fucking hard?
Where does it say alleged mother? How come it doesn't have anything about the woman on there?
Thank you, brother.
I mean, hey.
These niggas is saving these hoes, these other channels. They are Captain Saberho niggas, and good luck. The niggas who ain't got off of child support, guess what? Keep saving these hoes. While the niggas that come over here, and I'm gonna tell you something about the niggas that been over here. It's a lot of niggas been over here, got off of child support, don't even fucking realize it. But guess what? They want somebody to come and say, hey, you won. We did it. We want to dismiss it. And check this out. Don't want to do no work. Don't want to do no work.
What they gonna do is they'll send you some documentation like, oh, we can't find you him, or they'll send you something off the wall to mask what it truly is, to cover their tracks, because they can't admit that they were wrong, because then you can technically sue them from their own admission. But they're not going to tell you, hey, I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? They go try to cover their tracks. You know, check that out. Tell them what you got on the screen.
It says Title 4D agency. Title 4D agency means the state designated under Chapter 231 to provide services under Part D, Title 4 of the Federal Social Security Act. Now, if you got Social Security arguments, take that shit to the Social Security office and get it.
To the Social Security.
Tell them again, brother.
Take it to the Social Security office. If you got problem with the straw man, take it up with the state. If you got problems with the Social Security Administration Act, take it up with the Social Security, because they're the ones that gave you a number to hold on to. So if you got a problem with that, take it to them. Y'all going into these courts talking Title 4D stuff, that's no. Take it up with the people who made those provisions.
No, guess what?
You know,
guess what? Who gave you the goddamn card? Who issued the motherfucking card? Your mom, right?
Some of them went and applied for it.
A lot of women apply for it to get benefits, nigga. Why is nigga trying to ignore these hoes? It's a proverb says, what, my brother? Cursed is the man who places a woman above him.
Yes.
But that goes to show, bro, ain't that many kings around here. It's a lot of queens and drag queens.
Right, and there's a lot of cultures that believe in that.
Why is the black culture the only culture, my nigga, that put the woman above them, and our other cultures put man above them? What's up with that shit, nigga?
Man, we were the pharaohs. We all, you know what I'm saying? We were the pharaoh. Remember, God created the woman so he can produce and duplicate himself.
Say that one more time. Say it one more time.
God created the woman so he can duplicate himself to have the human experience.
And God created...
That's why we have a gene that the women don't have, which is the Y chromosome.
So God created who in his image?
Created us in his image.
So we are gods. In the Bible, in the book of Psalms said, and ye are all gods.
Yes.
You know what I'm talking about? You can't be no God if you ain't trying to reprimand a bitch for being ungodly, nigga. Let me say that one more again. You ain't a God if you ain't gonna reprimand a bitch, your baby mama, for being ungodly to your ass. See, that's why these niggas don't want to debate me, because I tear they bitch ass up. Yep, you're gonna be a bitch, a pussy, a fag, all that shit.
Check it out. When women talk about God in church, do they say she or he?
He.
There you go. That lets you know the male is the God.
Let me drop some more shit for these dumbass niggas, because I'm through talking nice and try to get... See, that's what these niggas do. They sell y'all some shit to try to talk nice. You know what I mean? Get in your pockets and shit. I ain't got time for that shit. That's what prostitutes and hoes do at the strip club. They talk nice to you to get your money. I'm not no hoe. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to get down to the nitty gritty. You need help? I'm going to go look for some shit, and you're going to pay us for our energy. You know what I mean? You're going to get that donation for that energy. If not, go read a book. If you don't want these services that sham stoppers, we tell niggas long time ago to go read some books. I'm putting up books that I'm not on child support. I don't pay the shit. For what? What I'm going to pay for?
And you know what? We ain't telling you, oh, go live on the rock. Oh, get rid of your social, even though your whole life is surrounded by that thing. Some of you got children right now you take care of, and you depend on that straw, and you depend on that social. Some of you getting SSI and Social Security benefits, but you got people on here telling you abandon modern life to live as a pauper or hide under a rock. See, we don't tell you to do that, because you don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do that.
Now let's get on this parent shit. Now the nigga was talking about parent, right?
It don't exist.
Well, I got in the family code book right here. It said parent means the mother or father of child but does not include parent whose parental rights have been terminated. So when they call your ass Or they call that woman to the school. Who they say we're gonna call the child's who? Parent. So this is what you're doing. See, I use they bullshit to make them look stupid. The word pay rent. Okay, check this out. Nigga, you paying rent for your child to be here, nigga. How about that?
Pay rent. Look, pay rent is metaphysical. Okay, metaphysical. You can't go in the courtroom with metaphysical arguments.
But did you hear what I said? You paying rent for your children in your possession while you have them.
Yes.
If you live in a house, you paying rent for that child up under that house to be in that house. Am I correct?
You paying for your own property.
You got to pay for everything while you here on this planet, fellas. If you using something, somebody either gonna want some money for it, you gonna pay with your time.
Yes.
These niggas out here is ignorant, man. And then they teaming up together, ain't doing shit. And I'm gonna tell you something. If somebody in this room listen, ain't saying nothing, don't email me with no motherfucking petition for no.
Hey, you're kind of muffled on your mic.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Do not. If somebody listening, do not hit up Sham Stoppers to sign no petition to petition child support.
That petition been out for decades.
And I'm gonna tell you something. Just like these niggas that passed marijuana into law, guess how they got marijuana into law, my nigga?
Oh, you're muffled again.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Guess how they got marijuana passed into law?
How they do it?
With some goddamn money. With some fiat notes who niggas saying, hey, the government is this and government is that, but they want you to send them a donation of some goddamn fiat notes. What the fuck is wrong with these niggas?
Exactly.
Huh? It's all about money. Money, sex, and drugs in that order.
Panic Eater said, at one point, did the father terminate his parental rights? Well, let me tell y'all something. When a man terminates his parental rights, that means he has no more rights to the child. He can't see the child. He can't be around the child. Whatever. He has no say-so. So the baby mama can move out of the country, and he doesn't have no say-so. See, what y'all don't know is, if now that they got y'all on paternity, she can't change the name. She can't leave the country. She can't do nothing without your permission, or you got her. That's one way you can sue her. But I ain't gonna get deep into that because we've been telling y'all can sue her. But yeah. And sometimes you can give up your parental rights and they still take money from you because that social is still on the record for them to receive federal money. But anyway, go ahead, brother.
Okay, I got on the stream what a warrant is, right?
Yep.
A written order or writ from a competent authority. Who got authority over you, nigga?
Yep.
So when you go ahead talking about the fictitious name, you just saying you ain't even got authority over yourself.
Right.
You don't even know who you are when you walk in there. You scared, you shivering, and niggas just trying shit. Experimenting on you and shit. You know what I'm talking about? It's time out for foolishness. It's this bitch. She did you like this. I done talked to...
Guess who writes the warrants?
Who?
It's not the judge.
It's the fucking clerk of court. The bitch. No,
it's not the clerk. It's not the clerk.
Who is it? The agency.
You're close. They call them staff attorneys.
Oh, yeah.
Guess who the staff attorneys are?
Who are the staff attorneys?
The agency. The agency writes those orders, warrants, and they just have the judge, that magistrate, ratified.
Well, I just said that. But check this out.
But I had to break it down so they can get it, because some people are, they need to.
Well, check this out. You're right. But their hearing officer is a lawyer, right? The hearing officer is a lawyer.
Yeah, but her job is just to sit there and sign stuff and pretend to hear you.
But
she doesn't even read your motions.
But check this out. You know who else got their ass too?
Who?
The Human Health Services Department.
The word human should even tip y'all off.
Yes.
But here's the thing. They are in the background letting everybody do the dirty work for them, because if you try to get them based off what the agency or the contractors do, they're going to file that under respondent superior. They can't be held liable. See, they don't get their hands dirty. They let the contractors get their hands dirty.
Penny just said, that's correct, but she signed over her parental rights. The father hasn't signed over his rights, correct? Yes, you're right. But the only way that's correct if you ain't rebutted or saying nothing about the shit. But when you acquiesce and say, okay, well, I ain't gonna say nothing, they get you by implied shit and expressed. Implied and expressed. Okay?
Yeah.
When it's implied and expressed, that means you didn't do nothing.
Yes.
Okay. So a lot of niggas ain't getting off child support. Your reading level is going to determine you getting off of child support. I'm just going to give you that secret. Your reading and comprehension, really your comprehension level is going to determine that you get off of child support. And it's fraud for lawyers to write warrants. Lawyers can't write warrants. I got it in one of my books. I'm going to put that up next time for y'all. They ain't supposed to be writing no warrants for no goddamn child support when the Constitution said nobody should go to jail for a debt, especially a debt that you didn't even apply for. It's her shit, fellas. And if these other niggas ain't talking about these hoes, we don't hate women. I don't hate women. My girl came over here and sucked my dick last night. So I don't hate women. Okay. I get my dick sucked every time. All right. So we just gonna throw that out there. Ain't nothing homo about me. But we don't like disobedient women over here. And you got them old bitch ass niggas is homosexuals. These other channel niggas is homosexuals ass niggas. Make no mistake about it. Because I see it in their spirit. I feel it and I smell it. I'm serious.
But everybody's not going to get free off of this, man. Some people, it hurts their brain to study this stuff because they're not used to reading and they're not used to doing anything intellectual. Now, I ain't by no means trying to, break somebody's feelings. But if I did, I guess I did. So what?
I don't give a fuck.
I don't need this talking. Let me talk to him for a minute. Look, the child support game is 80% fraud upon the court and 20% due process. All this other garbage that people are telling you to do is irrelevant. You know what I'm saying? It's BS.
Check this out. Penny either said, hold on, man. Penny either said nobody gave her authority to sign over anything on my behalf, even if no rebuttal, right?
Well, okay, let me answer that. Here's the thing. Legally, which means on paper, if you are not on the birth certificate or acknowledged as the father, you have no legal rights. So she signed over her legal rights. You get what I'm saying? Now, if you did sign paternity, yes, she made a deal without your permission. That's where the rebuttable presumption comes in. If you do not rebut and object and demand to vacate that in the very beginning, they're going to take it as acquiescence. Because here, they got to prove, number one, that you're an absent parent, that you're neglectful. You know what I'm saying? And the only thing she got is hearsay. If you don't rebut any of that, I'm telling you, you're just going to let them just do whatever they want.
Thank you. Hey, but not about my children's mother know better. Put something in my name, and then I'm gonna hit you with this. Check this out. I don't owe them nothing. I don't owe them a red motherfucking dime, penny, dime, whatever. You hear me? I don't owe them shit. And if you don't have this type of attitude, guess what? You're gonna be owing. You're gonna be second. If you second guess yourself and you doubt yourself, guess what? You just cursed yourself because you listen to other niggas who are cursed. Okay? And all curses come from you doubting your fucking self.
Right.
Real talk. Spirituality. These hoes ain't got no spirit. All these hoes out here doing is destroying shit, and they putting period blood in these motherfucking bitch ass niggas on YouTube's food. Real talk.
They gotta do that. These dudes are feminized. They ain't even gotta do that. All they gotta do is do some psychological shit on them.
Yeah.
That's it. I love you.
Now,
oh, you know, and this and that.
Now, you know what they gotta do to them? You say bitch in this house, nigga, I'm gonna put your bitch ass out.
Right. And these women don't even cook to even be doing spells like that anymore.
That's what I'm saying, man. We got all these old faggot punk motherfuckers on YouTube. You know what I mean? Faggots. Ain't got no remedies, ain't got no results, nigga. We got the less people on this motherfucker with all the results. Ain't that some crazy shit?
You know what? As a matter of fact, I guarantee you after this podcast, somebody's gonna make a video and try to say something about the stuff we said. Don't wait till after. Get on right now. Get on here right now. Make yourself known. You know what I'm saying?
No, they not gonna do that. That's what bitches do. They was raised by a bitch, so they a bitch ass nigga, and they go and you know they got to please the masses of bitches. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Because if we put up my track sheet versus theirs, you know what I mean? Man, please. You think these niggas got nuts enough to go tell a motherfucker in their face they ain't gonna give them no money?
Nope.
You think they're gonna go in these old fake ass courtrooms and say, man, I ain't giving you shit. You know who did that?
Who did that?
Yours truly. I tell a motherfucking man, nigga, I don't owe you no money, nigga. Where the check at, nigga? Where the goddamn money at, nigga? And I meant that too. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't up here showing my face, trying to be famous. I don't give a fuck about fame, nigga. Fuck famous.
Let me tell you something. Y'all need to be careful of people trying to give y'all remedies to this and they showing their face. Y'all gotta be careful of people giving y'all straw man theories and you're not a citizen. And y'all gotta be careful of that secured party creditor BS. I'm telling y'all need to use y'all critical thinking. This stuff been out. That sovereign citizen straw man stuff, that I'm not a citizen, state citizen, secured party credit, all this stuff been out for decades, and it does not work. No one can show y'all any sources, any legal claims, or court cases showing that somebody's got a remedy. They don't even show y'all paperwork. You know what I'm saying?
Penny Eater said, damn, so I have no remedy then, bros. This stuff I needed to know and enforced back in 2006. You want to answer that?
What'd he say?
He said he don't have no remedy.
Let me tell you something, man. There's always a remedy. But if you messed your remedy up by putting stupid stuff on the record, yeah, it's gonna make it hard for you.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
You all have remedies. Just be careful who you fuck with. That's all I'm telling y'all. Be careful who you fuck with. People feel comfortable by giving their people money. Let's check this out. A lot of niggas gave their money to Polite and Umar Johnson, and then they want to see their face. Guess what? Are they going to go kill them and go get their money back?
Nope.
Thank you.
See, the ones who are not politically correct and the ones who don't try to appease to the people's feelings is the ones who tell the truth that don't get the most exposure. But you know what? That's okay, because when you become famous, you become a bigger target.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fame ain't got shit to do with results, my nigga.
We like a book. You got to go and look for that book to find your remedy. You know what I'm saying?
And that's what we tell y'all. If you don't want these services, do what? Go read some books, homie. I put up 1,000 goddamn books. We put up so many books. You know what I mean? And we got the old nigga telling these niggas not to read a book, be a Google scholar. Now, then he want to switch around and say he go to the law library.
He meant digitally online,
man. Man, get the fuck out of here, nigga. Please, nigga. You naming books that I put up before your ass when your ass was on YouTube. You know what I mean?
Hey, Downsword said they want likes, not results. Yeah, you right.
You right. They want to be liked. I don't care about being liked, hated, or loved. I'm here to provide some motherfucking services, some for results. God damn it, some shit to help you out. You know what I mean? That's what I'm here for. I don't care about that. You know what I mean? Because everybody who want to be famous, guess what? When they fuck up and make a mistake, guess what? The whole fucking world know.
You know what? What's that dude? The coffee. What was he called?
Coffee Kush. Coffee Kush.
That's a real dude. He even said these other dudes out here looking for fame.
Looking for fame.
that's a real dude, and I can tell because he ain't trying to be all politically correct and try to give people's feelings candy and stuff. You know what I'm saying? No, we don't pass out candy yet.
If you gonna be
like your daddy.
If you gonna be famous, nigga, have some results, nigga. Fuck the driver's license shit, nigga. Get some niggas off. Get some.
They be more easy to get your license back because they know if you ain't got no license, you can't go out there and make their money.
Yes.
And some that do get their license back, they're like, well, here's 3 things to get your license back. Number one, paying something, or making a promise to pay, or them just giving it to you because they know you still owe them some money.
Yes, they want that motherfucking fiat notes. They want you to make a promise. So, because check this out. You know why the driver's license agency want to make a promise? Because the people at the driver's license agency ain't making no money.
That's right. And plus, here's the thing. If y'all not fighting and y'all wait to be put on contempt or your property stolen or your license revoked, y'all waiting too late. Because see, now they can be like, well, we got them on this. And they can show the upper course leg. We got them on this. Y'all need to start fighting from the beginning. You know what I mean? Y'all need to start fighting from the beginning and forget, look, I know y'all want y'all license and all that, but y'all need to be fighting to get that stuff vacated. Remember, child support deals with rebuttable presumptions. That's what it deals with. I told you, it is 20% due process and 80% fraud upon the court. If you don't know how to state any of those claims, forget about it. You can't go in there and be like, this court under Title 4D is this. Y'all are issuing bill of attainders, and that. What are you talking about?
This is what's the other shit they say on there about the about yes, under this section of the manual says this.
Let me tell you something.
And the manual says that.
Look, the manual, it's good to read the manual, but you can't go into that court with the manual and expect them to vacate your order based off what you read in the manual. Okay, what did they do to you personally? You know what I'm saying? Outside that manual. See, what y'all don't know is that manual is also rules that they have to abide by. And if they don't abide by the rules, that's how you can get them. Not under cooperative agreements, under 666A, whatever, y'all receiving federal funding. Of course they're receiving federal funding. These people know who they are. You going in there trying to pierce the veil, the courts are not going to give you any remedy. As a matter of fact, even a district court will tell you, and you will only know this by reading books. Courts do not entertain piercing the veil, not unless it leads to RICO or racketeering. Other than that, no, they will not pierce the veil. And so y'all going in there with the manual, talking about y'all operating on this. Of course they are. Yeah, how was you injured?
Check this out. How you gonna put up a document, nigga, on YouTube and tell y'all gonna send it? Everybody gonna do the same shit.
Man, that's called boilerplating. These courts will be like, this is the same claim as such and such in the state of New York. This is the same claim, word for word, from the same litigant in Texas. They're gonna call it boilerplating, and they're gonna be like, oh, this is not a real claim. This is just something downloaded from the internet. Your claim has to be unique to you, and it's gonna have to state something that happened to you. Nobody's telling you this. Nobody on YouTube is telling you how to state a freaking fucking claim.
The reason why they're not telling them on YouTube because they don't know how to state a claim their goddamn self.
They don't. We've seen their paperwork. We've seen their affidavits. We've seen their court cases, and they're all the same. They're just lacking and missing, the nexus between what they did to you. I'm telling you, 80% fraud upon the court, 20% due process.
And who that come from? The baby mama, right?
Yes. You have to rebut what she says. It's a rebuttable presumption. So you're going to have to go against her and say, hey, she signed over her rights in claiming that I'm absent or neglectful, whatever. No, I rebut that. And I wish not to do business. I don't need your service. No, thank you. It's that simple. They're trying to get you into a service with her. You got to say no, thank you. Rebut that.
Because if you fighting the agency, fellas, you ain't gonna fucking win.
You're not going to win. Here's what one judge said. And I'm going to tell y'all this. One judge said, this individual is trying to sue the whole child support agency. It is ridiculous to think every single person in that agency had something to do with what happened to him. Yeah. So I'm going to dismiss his claim. If he wants to state a claim, he needs to name specific individuals who did this to him. But everybody at the agency, there is no way they could have did this to him. That's what a federal judge said to one litigant.
Awesome.
You're not going to get this anywhere else. We're giving you facts. We're not making up stuff. We're not saying, okay, this is it. Gloves are off on this one. All right, now I got a remedy. Then 2 weeks later, all right, this is it. This is the final blow. This is the takedown. What is that? That sounds like some commercial advertising for like trying to sell you a car or something. What is that?
He said even at brother Wilson said even after you sign the establishment of paternity, you can get rid of it. Yes, you can get rid of it.
I'm not going to see. Look, I told you several podcasts ago, quit giving all your remedies out online because they will change something. Now, there's a way to do that, but I'm not going to say it here.
Yes.
Because if I say it here, they're going to cover their tracks because I'm going to keep letting them make the mistake. That is why I'm not doing like most people on here and telling you what your remedy is. You know what I'm saying? We won't do that online. We won't do that no, we just won't. But there's a remedy to that, even if you sign it. I'm not going to say it because they're listening and they're going to switch their game up, and you can no longer use it as a remedy.
And I'm gonna put up some old paperwork that people still using and selling. I show am. So these niggas, so y'all gonna see who plagiarized and then all that old shit. You know what I mean? Old shit, my nigga. Oh.
And you know what? Here's the thing. We learn and we adapt. Of course, nobody starts off perfect. You know what I'm saying? We had to go through our mistakes. But now, we got this shit mastered. You know what I'm saying? We got this mastered.
This shit is so easy now to us. You know what I mean? This shit is easy, fellas. This shit is so easy.
Hey, let me tell them a semi-testimony.
Okay.
So, had a brother reach out to me wanting help. I told him, and look, he's dating someone whose dad is an attorney. So all they keep saying is, go on and sign yourself up. Go on and do this. Well, he had mediation, and I told him what to say. He went in there and said it, and guess what? They had a court date scheduled. Neither one of them showed up, and the court dismissed it. And guess what else? He told them, nope, I demand for this to be vacated. And you know what they did? They sent him a response saying, you will have to file a motion to vacate this. You know what I'm saying? Because her attorney didn't show up based off what he told them in mediation. It's that simple, people. It's that simple. It's that simple. My nephew, go in there and tell the judge, no, thank you. I wish not to do business. You know what he did? He did that. And he cursed the judge out. Guess what? They couldn't touch him. Because they didn't have jurisdiction. He didn't play their game.
Say that again, so brother. Easy. Say it again.
They didn't have jurisdiction because he didn't want to play their game. I told him, go in there, say this. He said it. He got a little cocky and told the judge, fuck you. I said, you didn't have to do that much, but okay. And they couldn't touch him. They could not touch him.
Check this out.
The only reason why they got him later is what most of you will end up doing is he loved his baby mama. And she tricked him. And guess what? They got him. That's what we be telling y'all. Don't trust her.
Check this out. That is so beautiful. You know what I mean? When you can go into a Title 4D agency hearing and tell these people no thank you. You know what I mean? No thank you. Because guess what, fellas? My first baby mama, I signed the paperwork. And the reason why I signed that shit is because I ain't want to be with her no more. I had me a new woman, right? So I signed the shit, right? So months and years go by. I wasn't seeing my child. So she think I'm gonna give her some money to fuck her and her new nigga and take care of a whole nother household. I got rid of that shit the same year. You know what I mean? I got it better than that within two months. You know what I mean?
You know what you did? You rebutted that rebuttable presumption. You was like, no, thank you. No.
Dude, got rid of that shit, terminated that shit. You know what I mean? Because I realized, I'm like, you know what I realized? And a lot of guys are not gonna realize. I realized, hey, if this is my child, if this child belongs to me, why I gotta give a third party and her some money if it's mine?
Thank you. Because the child doesn't live with you, it don't matter.
Okay, cool. Cool. If the child, no, check this out. That's even better. So what you're saying, if the child don't live with me, that means I don't have no obligation to give you some money.
Right.
So my obligation is, if my child stay with me, I have that obligation to take care of my child.
Or if she's asking for money for help to take care of the child in her possession, give the child up.
Yes. These
if
bitches
for the best interest, give the child up.
Yep. Yep. These bitches can't take care of these children. It's a lot of them. 90% of them. 10%.
Oh my God.
Only 10% can.
Who is drawn towards? Who is that?
One of our brothers. What happened?
Oh man, he made a comment about the unibrow.
Oh yeah. That's one of our future you know, blessings. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What do you say?
State a claim upon which relief can be granted. I was denied by the court without prejudice. What court was you denied?
He was in the federal court, and he came over here and he did he listened to the old dude that smoked cigarettes and drank beer with their money, right?
Yeah.
And he told him to do improper pairs, right?
Ooh,
and when your ass do improper pairs, and they find out you making money through that social, and not only that, if you do proper pairs, you asking them to incriminate themselves. That shit don't work, dog.
Wait. You said the key word. When you file as a pauper and they do a record background check on that social and find out you're making money, you lied.
Yep.
That social has every work history that you have in your entire life on it.
That social is you, fellas. That's your background. When I went to college, you know what the identification I used? My social, nigga. Mm-hmm. That's the only shit I used was my social in college. That's what niggas use. Your social is everything. So you got people talking about get rid of your social, and also, man, let me tell you something, dog, about these under the living in they mama basement type niggas. They hiding because they on child support. I'm just gonna give it to you like that.
They said it. I mean, in so many words, they said it. I don't drive. I don't have a license. I don't use a social. I just stay. Yeah, we know why. Look,
my baby mama said she was going to take me to court because I said I didn't want to be with her and I have a good job. What to do? You got it recorded?
Yes. Well, here's the thing. Even if you got it recorded and you try to use it in those courts, they're not going to listen to you. Their job is to get money. If she's threatening you, now is the time to get your study on. Now, don't you wait until she do the threat. So what I need you to do, who is that? Antonio Johnson?
Yes.
Here's what I need you to do. I need you to finesse her. Finesse her. I need you to pull some psychological warfare. I don't care if you have to say, baby, I love you, whatever. In the meantime, you know, start making a move to get out of there so she can't track you.
Wait a minute.
And get your study up. Get your study up. Delay her while you get your study up so you can fight her and these people.
Let me get them some game, G. You ready for this?
Give them some game.
Brother Antonio, let me give you some game. I know you need help. I'm gonna tell you the wrong thing a lot of niggas be doing. Using their name when they on this motherfucking podcast.
Yep.
Cause guess what? They're gonna go back and check. We got agents crawling on this channel.
Yep.
You wanna know agents crawling on this channel? Guess what? I went to school for paralegal studies. Guess what? They know I got the real deal over. We got the real deal over here.
Yep.
They got them other niggas in them other channels. They laughing at them. They shit don't work.
Nope.
I'm just gonna give it to you because when last time they got ask these niggas have they got somebody off of child support?
No, you can't because one of them said they don't do testimonies.
Thank you, because they ain't got none. Ask these niggas. I can pull up a portfolio of niggas not even on child support. We beat a paternity case. Ask these other niggas how they done it. No. But anyway, brother Antonio Johnson, y'all get an email, make an email something without your name attached to it. You got to learn how to be in secrecy, man.
Exactly.
Because these bitches do. Well, really, these bitches don't care because they'll get out here and get on Facebook and
Let me save Antonio real quick. Do not fight for custody. Do not fight for full custody unless you can prove that she's been neglectful for them children. Because what's going to happen is it's going to be your word against hers. And since she files first, they're going to do the child support first, and they're going to give you what's called visitation. It's not called joint custody. All they need from you, especially if you got a good job, is for you to admit paternity. I'm telling you, they want you to go in there and argue with her. You know what I'm saying? Yes, it's her, but they do not participate in the game. Do not participate.
Because when you do this, when you enter in jurisdiction for paternity and all this for parental rights, guess what? They got jurisdiction over you and they're gonna make you their slave and make your ass pay. So you got somebody on YouTube telling y'all make affidavits of parental rights and all that. Don't do that. That's a no-no. So you doing that, you're entering into their jurisdiction. Okay.
The social and acknowledgement of paternity or paternity is two things that they need to put child support on you. Why would you sign and make up even your own affidavit of paternity?
I don't know what
somebody who keeps trying to fight for them kids, them children are not yours no more. She signed them over to the state. If you
didn't apply child support with a child support application, guess what? You have no obligation. Okay. She signed the child support obligation. She signed the affidavit, aka the affidavit, the application. She gave over her rights and those children to the state, nigga.
Yep.
I'm just giving you the facts because these niggas is fighting their agency. They ain't gonna win. Broke people who ain't got no weapons can't beat these agencies. You ain't got no army. Ask these other niggas what army they got. All I hear is a bunch of hope talk, hoop lie, and a bunch of bullshit. Oh, well, yeah, we're gonna shut them down. It's time to shut them down. Nigga, shut your channel down, nigga.
Broderick, do you have joint custody?
Yep. So they got jurisdiction.
So he has joint custody right now?
Yep.
Oh man, if you got joint custody, I could tell you something where you can get first, how long have you had joint custody? I want to know. Answer the question, Roger. How long have you had joint custody?
Roger, how long have you had joint custody? Well, we're going to wait till you answer. But let me get back on. We're going to shut the agency down.
But look. Before he answers, there's one out of many ways you can sue your baby mama if you have a joint custody contract. I ain't gonna say it on here because, like I said, they will change something or they will hide something where you can't use it.
Yep, you can sue. I know what you're talking about too. Yeah, you can sue that, but that's too much work, dog.
It's too much work.
That's too much fucking work, man. Niggas need
it's
to.
Too much, but look, it's too much work. But for those who, kind of messed their ish up and who's been in it for so long, you know what I'm saying? I mean, there's always remedy. Because here's the thing: make her life hell. You know what I'm saying? If she want that money, make her work for it.
He said since 2004. He said he been on this shit.
2004.
Woo!
And how much does he pay a month?
We can't tell. We can't get him to do it.
I know. I forgot he used his real name. Forget that.
Man, y'all. Hey, for now, you coming sham stoppers. Don't be putting your real name up on the whatchamacallit, man, because they watching you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they're like, oh yeah, that go our slave right there. Oh, he's over here trying to look for remedies and shit. Man, these people watching this shit, dog.
Because half of you not only using your real name, but your email is linked to your phone number.
Yes.
Gmail, Yahoo, all that stuff is not secure. They can get your metadata.
Let me hit y'all with something. Own nothing in your name to control the shit. If that's too deep for y'all have to go think about this tonight. Own nothing, control everything. Think about that.
Rockefeller said it.
Huh?
That's what the Rockefeller said.
Yes. Stop putting your shit, your information out in the public. This is what these hoes do. These hoes want attention. They want to twerk. We done gave the podcast Sunday to start we done gave you some shit to start a strip club. And I'm gonna hit y'all with something too. You ain't this between us. You ain't supposed to be paying no more than $5 to get in the strip club. But that's another story. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Because think about it. You got a bitch. She'll sit up here, go shake her ass for $1 or $2, but then go holler talking about she needs some child support. So if she can expose her body, she don't give a fuck about exposing you or your children out here in the goddamn public, nigga.
Right. When's the last time the HC sent your child a birthday card or came to a birthday party? When's the last time? If they so caught up in the interest of the child, when's the last time they actually visit and say, "Hey, hello, little Timothy. Here's a birthday gift for you because we care about you in the best interest."
Right. And I love this channel. I'm loving that y'all in here. I don't know if it's agents in here, but I already know they ain't gonna come to the shit over with, right? People ain't gonna come to the shit over with. And if you sensitive and if you an emotional motherfucker, your ass ain't getting off child support. Because you want to know why? Because you can't mix feelings and emotions with business because it's a business. Because if you ain't handling your business, somebody gonna handle your business for your ass.
Yeah, if you can't take the truth and criticism here, they gonna eat you alive in that courtroom.
Man, and I'm gonna tell you something. They be acting, they be preparing for it. They know when a nigga timid and a nigga ain't gonna do nothing. You know what I mean? They know when a nigga ain't gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna be honest with you. They know who gonna move and who gonna shake. You know what I mean? They know the niggas who just gonna talk and get documents. Niggas is actually putting up documents and giving it to these people out here on this public forum, giving them new ways to play that. And I'm gonna tell you something. They got a child support task force. They got a child support task force. They have child support meetings. When I was going to school, one of my teachers instructed me, yeah, we're a small community and we do our research and we plan things before things happen.
Yep.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yep.
So people over here is just selling y'all products. You know what I mean? Stupid shit. Stupid.
I'm trying to find this one term here.
You know what I mean? So it's your baby mama, fellas. Don't make no mistake, because if it wasn't her, you wouldn't be on it. If she was a real woman, if she was a real good, faithful woman, if she was Sugar and Spice, she would say, hey, I don't need your money. I'm gonna call you and I'm gonna tell you what our son needs. You just mail it to me. Why bitches ain't like that though? Talking about hate women. We don't hate women over here. We hate disobedient. We don't like disobedient women. I don't even hate women. I don't fuck with disobedient women. We reprimand, we scorn them, all that, because I'm gonna tell you something. If you don't give them no money, they're gonna scorn your ass in courtroom. It's called contempt. Contempt means to scorn you. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So Sunday podcast, I'm gonna drop some shit about paternity this time. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some paternity shit. Okay. I forgot to give it to you. Hold on. Yep, they have a task force just like the gang. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. We're gonna shut this agency down. Yes. Man, shut the fuck up, man. Get off of YouTube, dog, because you wasting people time and space, my nigga. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And them motherfuckers doing so bad, they gotta monetize their shit now. We ain't monetizing shit over here, player. Nada. Nothing. Yeah, it ain't going down over here. You know what I mean?
So, I want to read to everybody what staff attorney is. This is coming from the Black Laws Dictionary, 7th edition. You ready?
Hit him.
Staff attorney, a lawyer who works for the court in a permanent position on matters such as reviewing motions, screening document statements, preparing scheduling orders, and examining habeas corpus petitions. Staff attorneys do not rule on motions or decide cases, but they review, research, and recommend proposed rulings to the judges. Let me read that last one. They recommend proposed rulings to judges, as well as draft the orders, let me read it again, as well as draft the orders and implement those rulings. An in-house lawyer for a corporation. So all those judges just sit there while the staff attorneys are writing all these orders. The only thing that magistrate do is just sign her signature.
That's it, because they non-judicial state employees.
So
they state employees.
It's the staff attorneys who are reviewing y'all shit, who is making these orders and recommendations for the judge to follow. Guess who the staff attorneys are? Those are your attorneys who work in the agency, the 4D agent. They control the courts. But who is they? That's up to y'all to find out what their names are.
Yes.
Staff attorney. I want y'all to know that real well.
If y'all not reading these books, man, y'all gonna be circling for information. Y'all gonna believe that sovereign citizen shit about the social security number. Leave that shit alone.
Leave it alone. You're going into a fake court making social security arguments, making straw man arguments, which really should be made through the state, because the state's the one that got a birth certificate on you.
Leave that shit.
They're not going to listen to you.
I got a brother on here. I got a remedy for a brother on here. His baby mama made a false claim to the state that false on abuse, and I got it on the code right here when she do that. That's gonna be a testimony coming up, fellas. I've been working on some shit. What's up? We got some shit over here in the making. Y'all about to see some shit. Whenever I tell y'all gonna see some shit, oh, bet your ass it's coming. It's coming. You know what I mean? Because I'm gonna tell you why it's gonna come. Because these people rather say, hey man, we ain't gonna fuck with you, and rather than say, look, we're gonna pay you out a lot of money. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Some people.
I'm gonna tell you a secret. Look, this is what other people on YouTube not gonna tell you. See, they not on the inside. I'm on the inside. Let me tell you a secret. I had a meeting with the county attorneys, and in that meeting, they was given the remedy. How did the remedy end up on the record that we said behind closed doors end up on the record to the judge? I'm telling y'all, that's how I know these people are the staff attorneys. It's all the employees in the agency. The judge is just the person sitting there to make you think it's a court.
Big play.
I told you, It's 20% due process, 80% fraud upon the court. I gave y'all the biggest secret out there.
Thank you, my brother. Big Play Visual said, will someone tag me in the books to begin with?
Did what?
He need to know what books to begin with. Tell him what the books to begin with.
First, you need to learn civil rules and procedure, how to navigate these courts, so you don't be filing stupid shit. 2, you need to learn contract law. You need to study on a good book to get is Federal Rules Civil Procedure Handbook. That will tell you. That will not only tell you what each civil rule is, but it'll give you case laws and stuff. But you have to research why those case laws are there and how you apply it.
Business law. Business law.
Get you a legal writing book. Get you a legal writing book so you know how to state a claim. Please. Please.
Please, man. Please get you that, man, because this niggas out here plagiarizing. Ask these niggas pull up their high school transcripts, man, by the way.
Drop out.
Civil and contract book. Yeah, civil rules and procedures. Check out the old videos too, Big Play Visuals. We got over 1,000 some videos. You know what I mean?
Here's the thing. You have to uplift yourself. Can't nobody uplift you but yourself. We can only give you the tools and point you in the right direction.
Man,
you know what I'm saying? Because everybody's claim is different. That's why we're saying you can't use these templates people give you, because everybody's claim is different. Only you can tell the story that's unique to you and what happened to you.
Yes.
You know? So what I'm giving you are tools that you can read upon to expand your knowledge and intellectual ability so you can properly present yourself before the court and not look like a jackass. You know what I'm saying? You know, and stop with these fallacy, delusional, fantastic arguments. You know, there's so many people out on there, online, doing this, giving y'all, selling y'all. I mean, for real, like misleading y'all. And I'm very disappointed.
I ain't disappointed. Fuck them.
No, I'm disappointed in how many people are believing these jokers.
Well,
you know what I'm saying? I really, here's what I think. I really think that they've been compromised and they're really agents.
Yeah.
Falsely misleading you.
Well, if you don't know something and something sound good to you, you gonna believe it. But these niggas ain't got no proof. They talking about they got proof. Getting somebody a driver's license ain't shit, fellas. You can do that on your own. You don't need no. You can go there. You can go. Hey man, look, I need my license. Because if I get arrested, I'm gonna hold you liable for this shit. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Well, it's called contesting. See, in order to take away your rights or take away your rights or privileges, they must afford you due process. If they don't do that, then they have no right to take away anything, including your license. So getting your license is easy. Like I told you, 20% due process, 80% fraud upon the court. So how do you get your license back? It's a due process issue.
They selling.
Understand?
They selling you snake oil, like old buddy said. Snake oil salesman.
Yeah. No, toilet water. Snake oil can heal you. Toilet water.
Yeah. That's right. Snake oil will heal you, but toilet water, man, they got these toilet services, man. And I hope they run back and tell these old bitch ass niggas, I don't give a fuck, nigga, because I don't see no results, nigga. I just don't see them, man. I ain't gonna lie.
I see people getting lost by misinformation. Then you got one cat on there. He's supposed to be a Moor. His last name is L. Still teaching security party creditor crap. You know what I'm saying? You think these people going to let you find a remedy to get out of their system like that? No.
It's the bitch.
No.
It's the bitch. It's the bitch. Yeah. And that's all I'm going to keep saying. It's your baby mama. She threatened to put you on some shit. Because I'm going to tell you something. A lot of women, this is what I've been learning. Most of a woman that comes from a bad family is a destructive bitch. She no good. Okay? Look at her family, dog. Look at her family. If her family ain't shit, then she ain't shit. Shit rolls down the trees, goddammit.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Hey, I'm not perfect. I don't fuck with some shitty hoes, but I'm not finna give these shitty hoes no money either.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Fuck these hoes. I don't give a fuck. I don't have no feelings. These bitches ain't got no feelings, emotions about you. They just want the bag, as they say.
Right.
They after the bag. They after your bag. That's your baby mama, because these niggas talking about the age. How you gonna talk about agency? I still see niggas protesting and try to go down there and talk to them folks. They just laughing at your stupid ass. You wasting your time. If you ain't got no money to pass legislation to stop this child support shit, shut the fuck up. Shut your mammy fucking mouth up. Stop wasting time, nigga. If you ain't finna vote with your dollars, stop hollering.
Right.
Shut up. It's fucking nonsense.
Nonsense.
Niggas talking about, well, we gon' reform child support. Nigga, go reform you some go get you a farm and go plant you some fruits and vegetables so you can get smart, nigga. Shit.
Let me tell y'all something.
Stupid ass
I went
shit.
out today and I got this book for $2. You know what this book is?
Tell them, brother.
Contract Law and Practice from LexisNexis. Let me tell y'all something. Stuff like this just be laying around for the taking. And y'all need to go out and seek and find this information. Because none of this stuff in this book I can find online. Now, I'm telling you, look, I'm looking at one section called The Meaning of Contracts, Interpretation of Agreements, and there's case laws in here. I'm telling you, look, y'all need to study this stuff.
Check this out.
You know what I'm saying?
We got a dude off of child support with a $2 book from Goodwill.
With a $2 book. You know how much this book normally originally cost?
How much?
This book originally cost $1,200.
Look, let me hit you with something. Niggas don't want to read. They want the victory without fighting. How you gonna win a war without fighting, nigga? Explain that to me.
Right.
So some niggas think I ain't have to do no fighting. Shit, I had to do some promises. I had to get in some ass, nigga.
Right.
Like, okay, nigga, what's up? I'm gonna call you. I'm not giving you no money. Let's fight for it. Let's fight for it. You know what I mean? I don't go back in that course no more because that shit ain't real. No,
right.
Don't call me there. No, leave me the fuck alone. Fellas, do you know it's a law when you can tell somebody to leave you alone and they keep fucking with you, you can subdue their ass? You can send out notices to tell people to leave you alone.
Right.
Instead of that sovereign citizen, I'm not that person for the beneficiary of the motherfucking entity, and the straw man. No, nigga.
I want y'all to look on YouTube Google on YouTube straw man failures and see how the court acts to these arguments.
Ooh, please do that.
It is funny. And then the commentator be like, he didn't do it right. No, he did it right. And they put him in a straitjacket.
You know what I mean? Real talk. What's the name of this other book? What other book?
Oh, this book. The one you got on the screen.
Oh, that's Barron's law diction book. Law dictionary, Barron's. We were the first one to hit up with the Barron series. They got the insurance, the banking, all that. I'm the first nigga to drop that shit. You know what I'm talking about? I was the first nigga on YouTube to drop books, nigga. Get you business
law.
Business law. State and administrative law. Y'all gotta read, man, because if you ain't finna do nothing, dog. And I'm gonna tell you, most of the guys that get off child support with us, them niggas did some reading. Am I lying, G?
I had one guy in like a week's time. He almost knew just as much information as I did. You know what I'm saying? Because he was serious about these people not trying to get him. I was like, wow. He went in there and guess what? His baby mama didn't show. He came by my crib and said, hey, nobody showed up. I was like, what? And he repeating the same stuff. I'm telling you, it's not hard. It's not. He fired his lawyer too. He fired his lawyer. I said, fire your lawyer.
And check this out.
Lawyer. And then they try to get him to sign something to confirm what his lawyer put on the record. I told him, don't sign that shit. So guess what? Whatever his attorney did is no longer enforced because he fired her before the mediation.
Keep preaching, brother. I'm going to put up another book for these people. Hold on.
Oh, the $2 book is just case and procedures, on contract law. There's tons of them out there, man. Go to your consignment shop or something like that, where they sell books for cheap. But you need the civil rules and procedures for your state, and you need federal rules and civil trials or whatever. You gotta know. You gotta know what that is, and also get the civil rules of court for your state and your county. It's usually a volume 3 that will tell you about the family courts, so you'll know what day your motion hours are and all that other crap.
Yeah, he want to know it was a business law book. That's all I'm gonna tell you. It was a $2 book. It was a business law book. I'm gonna put something up for the screen for y'all. I put this up a long time ago, nigga. I'm gonna do it one more time. You know what I'm talking about? Should nobody be on child support looking at child stuff? Hold on a second. Hold on, G. Let me take a picture of this shit.
They're already going bankrupt because there's not a lot of people on welfare anymore.
Right.
Now they're getting money from their performances and the loans which they have to pay back.
Now I'm finna it's 11 in the room. I'm finna show y'all some crazy shit. Hold up. Watch this, G. Hold on, let me see something. All right, you can go and share some shit about. We're gonna shut the agency down.
No, seriously. Now, I don't know none of y'all from light and day, but I'm gonna tell y'all need to use your critical thinking. All this stuff on YouTube that sound good is not gonna help you for real. That's all they doing is, and y'all wasting y'all money. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is it. This. I'm serious. You were serious years ago. What makes you more serious now than you were years ago? I'm serious. I'm ready to put an end to them now. The gloves are all from this and that. I'm like, you're just putting on a show. You know what I'm saying? You're putting on a show.
Man, fucking idiot, dog. Like, nigga, who are you kidding, dog?
But hey, you know what? I ain't gonna knock another man's hustle. I'm just gonna say y'all need to be careful. For real. Well, because we keep getting people over here from that mess. And it's like, now we gotta fix what he did, but I'm telling you, some things you can't fix.
Y'all see that on the screen? You see that on the screen?
I remember that.
You remember that right there?
Yeah.
Y'all see that, fellas?
Hey, zoom in on that. Zoom in. Yeah, let them look at that real good. Who's the borrower?
She is the obligor, not you. And for you to be the obligor, you have to sign something. So what the fuck did you sign?
Delicate.
This is you over here, fellas. You see that?
So look, the obligor is her. Under her, hold on, go under her. Under her is the agency. Okay? And then the agency passes it off to you. Delegation.
Here you go. What's up, fellas? Obligee means creditor. You know what I mean? Because that's why they call her custodian. A custodian is somebody who is housing property. So whose property is she housing? Your children, nigga.
Excuse me, Mr. Wasilkamilbey, can you tell me where online did you find that?
Huh?
Can you tell me where online did you find this diagram?
Nowhere. I got this out of a book.
Thank you. A business book at that.
Yes. Y'all see that shit? Look at that. She's the obligor. But you sign up to be her obligor, little whore. Okay?
Yep.
What's up? She goes down there. When she signs that application, she's borrowing money and gonna make you pay for it. She said, hey, I got a co-borrower, but he's not here. Here, I'm gonna sign.
It becomes a creditor when there's money bursting out of thin air, where there's no money given.
Right.
That's called credit.
Right. So look at that shit.
There's a difference between loan and credit. A loan is something you give in actual dollars. Credit is something you make up out of thin air.
Look, I'm gonna say it one more again, fellas. These niggas who ain't talking about these hoes, these women, because these women are the cause of y'all on child support 9 times out of 10. What now?
Child support, that I'll smack any nigga who has the nerve to call me order.
Roger said, can I get all my money back? You sure can. Is you gonna fight to get your money back?
You can get all your money back from her directly, but then again, I'm not gonna say nothing no lie.
Ooh, I know what you're talking about too.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Because they're gonna get hip to it, and they're gonna block your remedies and your chances. When I tell the other person or anybody on YouTube to stop telling your secrets and showing your methods, or they will change something, I'm not talking about them changing the manual. I'm talking about them changing their behavior and tactics. Forget that manual. Forget the Title 40 laws. They can change it all day. I'm talking about them changing their tactics and methods where it'll be harder to impossible for you to use the methods and remedies.
Hey man, how long they been preaching this manual shit, dog?
Man, look, the manual been around since the beginning of the 4D service.
But how long?
It's okay, huh?
How long, cuz been talking about the manual, dog?
Years. Here's the thing. There is nothing wrong with the manual. Read the manual if you want to know who these people are. But you cannot just use that manual to tear them down. You can find loopholes, but you're going to have to make it unique to you. You can't just copy and paste something that's in the manual and say, haha, I got you. They'd be like, no, we got you. Implied consent, this and this.
Yeah, you let this shit ride for this long?
You let our fraud and our lack of due process get you in this position, but you didn't make that argument. Key word, you didn't make that argument. Instead, you're arguing over what's in the manual.
And guess what, fellas? You got motherfuckers talking about don't argue. Guess what? You got to put up an argument, my nigga.
Here's the thing. I got one better for you. When you get your driver's license, before you get your driver's license, most people do what? They study the driver's license manual, right?
Right.
When the police pull you over, are they getting you on something that's in the manual or something that's in the statutes?
Yeah.
Here's the thing. The police officer is not going to open the manual and say, under page 3, you were supposed to do this. No. What they're going to do is, under the penal code, section 332.3, you ran a stop sign. You get what I'm saying? That's what they do. That's how the manual is. You can't go in there with the manual and say, according to page 815, section 815, this says that you have to do this, and this judge is a magistrate and not a judge in the court. No. You have to use something practical. Do you have case law? Do you have what do you have that's for you? You know what I'm saying? They're like, how does this apply to you? That's what they're going to ask. How was you harmed, and how does this code or case law apply to you? I mean, it's I'm telling you, man, it's simple. You know what I'm saying? But y'all out here using Laffy Taffy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all out here using this Laffy Taffies and getting laughed at. You go to court with a candy ass, they gonna eat your ass for real. Oh, Candy just walked in. We gonna eat us some candy. Your ass is candy.
Hey,
walking in there all sweet and shit.
I'm finna do another. I'm finna put another. Want me to put up another one for him?
Put up another one. This is the education. This is a real education.
This is some real fucking live education, fellas. I'm finna put up another one. Hold on.
This is Sam University.
You goddamn right. You goddamn right. Hold on, I'm gonna put up a book too. Hold on, I'm gonna get them a let me see something. Cause I done had this motherfucker for so long. Wait a minute. All right. Hold up, fellas. I'm about to put some shit up for y'all one more again.
And let me tell you something. If I'm dating a chick and I find out she got some dude on child support or she attempted to put somebody on child support, I ain't messing with her. Not messing with her. Because she will do the same thing to you. Not messing with her. A chick who is willing to do that to another man is willing to undercut you by any means necessary. She will stab you in the back.
Right.
Don't trust no woman. Don't trust no woman who attempted to put someone on child support. And here's how you do your interview. When you meet a woman, ask her, where's the baby's father? What do you feel about child support? Do you feel like the state child support really helps people? If she say yeah, it's his responsibility. If she says all that crap, leave her alone. Leave her alone. She is not there to be by your side, and she will not protect you.
Fellas,
leave her alone.
Fellas, it is our responsibility. It's our responsibility to take care of our child the way we see fit, not the way she see fit. All right?
Yeah, thanks for clarifying that.
So
when she says it, it's ill intent. When we say responsibility, it's real responsibility.
Well, when she says it, she's saying it on you owe her some money because she shitted out your baby.
Exactly.
She charged you for some pussy. Right?
Exactly.
Let's just keep it our way 100, fellas. You know what I'm talking about?
It's prostitution. The baby just signifies that there was actual sexual contact. The baby is just proof of that. So now they're making you pay her for having sex with her.
Now check this out. We finna get on to the nitty gritty. This was one of my first books when we started the game. You know what I mean? That go a law dictionary.
Oh yeah.
You see that? You see that shit, fellas?
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Y'all see that? Obligee. Not G, but G. Right? Obligee, one who is entitled to receive a sum of money to have an act or deed performed as promised or agreed to by the obligor. Did y'all agree to get that bitch some money? Obligor, one who has promised or is otherwise obligated to perform an act or deed, such as the payment, right, of the sum of money under a promissory note or other contract, right? Compare obligee, not G, but G, fellas. What's up? Did you promise to do something? Okay, well, let me hit you with another scenario. So if she said you owe her this and owe her that, you should be able to get your dick sucked whenever you get ready, right? Right? Huh? You should be able to do that, right?
Come on.
Huh? Real talk. Look at that. How many of y'all promised to get his house some money? Huh? See, I'm going to tell you what happened. You were this originally, right? And she was this, right? Now, after you left this position, you came over here and signed some shit.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hear me? I'm back on.
Did you hear what I just told them?
What did you tell them?
You see what I got on the screen?
Hold on. Let me run and look at my TV. Hold on. Yes, I remember that. Yes.
Okay. So I broke it down to him. I said, one who has entitled to receive a sum of money or to have an act or deed performed as promised or agreed by the obligor, right?
Right.
So what she did, the baby mama did, she went to the agency as the obligee too, right? And really the obligor, right?
Right.
But when she signed over and put the nigga name, she switched positions. She switched from being the obligor to the obligee.
Exactly.
Now it don't get no simpler than that. You know what I mean? It don't get no simpler than that.
I know. Oh, under this code, y'all know. Some people don't care.
Cody GT50 said, then this contract shouldn't be binding if you was coerced. No, it's not. It's not binding if you've been. I like to use a better word, induced.
Okay. Who said that?
Cody
Cody?
GT.
Cody. Let me tell you something. What have I been saying? 80% fraud upon the court, 20% due process. What is coercion? It is a due process issue, and it's a fraud upon the court. Thank you for putting that. See how simple it is? You see how simple? It's simple. Not no you people under 42666 double code, Genesis man 123. It's none of that. It's none of that. You're not a Genesis man. These people don't care about religion. These people do not care about religion.
Because guess what?
Arguments in there.
Because guess what? You know why they don't care about religion? Guess what?
Why?
Because they're going into their religion. They go into their church. Okay.
Yeah. And if they do choose somebody's religion over the other, then they fall under 1983 discrimination.
Yes. Yes.
See how that works?
Yes.
Jesus.
Yes.
Muhammad, Buddha, Krishna, all of them. Y'all need to use your critical thinking.
Use your common sense, fellas. If you use your common sense, you'll beat child support. But if you're using somebody else's sense, talking about, we're going to shut down the agency. It's the agency with the fraud.
You're not going to shut down the agency.
Get that
the
shit up.
agency is just going to reform itself. You know what I'm saying? From everybody trying to, because we told y'all years ago that they were going to change the game up on y'all. They did that twice. That's why it's harder and harder.
It's going to get harder and harder because guess what? It ain't going to get, it's not harder for us. It's easy as fuck. And we're going to show y'all here in a little while. Y'all going to be like, damn, these niggas done did it. These brothers ain't.
Here's the thing. We could keep all this to ourselves. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got to be on this platform telling y'all this. We could do this in private offline and just do it to a group of people around us.
You know what? That's what we're going to start doing. We're going to start keeping our shit private now. And we're going to let the assholes broadcast their shit because they want validation. They want to pat them on the back and say, good job. You're the man.
I don't want validation. I don't want to be known. I don't want to be found. I don't want these people messing with me.
You know what I mean?
And how many of y'all got a Facebook? If y'all got a Facebook, leave that shit alone.
Hey.
Let me tell you something. I downloaded before I deactivated, shut my Facebook page down. I downloaded my own metadata. Do you know it has everything, and I do me everything, and not a spot missed of everything you did on Facebook from the beginning when you opened it to the point where you still got it open. These people can get in there and get all that and use it against you.
Hey, Penny said they don't care about the facts or the evidence.
Who don't? Whoa. Let me look at my TV. What did he say?
They don't care about the facts or the evidence.
Okay. So, they do, And they don't. They don't, but guess who do? The higher courts do. So that's why you got to be careful what you put on the record.
They care about the facts, Penny Eater. Not in that little bitch ass non-judicial court. They ain't nothing but they weak, dog. I'm telling you, they ain't nothing but a bunch of broke ass lawyers. Now they rich because they taking from your legacy. You know what I mean?
Those non-judicial courts are of limited jurisdiction. They only can they can't honor the Constitution. You will have to appeal it, and the higher courts will honor your Constitution. I've seen people plead their Fifth Amendment rights, and the administrative court refused it, and the Court of Appeals reversed and said, no, he pleaded the Fifth. He has a right to plead the Fifth. So you cannot admit that evidence. But you know what evidence they did admit? They admitted the baby mama in evidence. The court was like, sir, we need your paycheck stubs. He said, I plead the Fifth. She said he makes this much. So the Court of Appeals said, hey, he pleaded the Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate himself, but the lower court was right to use her testimony statement. You want to know why they used hers? Because he did not rebut what she said. See how easy it is? What you put on the lower record is what can ultimately save you. It's like Judge Joe Brown said, we're just building up the record for an appeal. Because you got to understand these people in these courts are children, and they need some adults to spank their ass. But they can't get spanked if you don't put the right shit on the record.
So we helped out a fella in New York, right? He failed to prosecute these people. We had him, didn't it, my brother?
Yes.
Didn't I put up the information on YouTube?
Yes.
So that's what I'm telling you, man. That's what I said. We just gonna sit back. We're gonna do our podcast. We ain't gonna be talking about no more pussy ass niggas. You know what I mean? Who talking about they gonna shut down the agency, right? Because only time gonna tell, and time is gonna reveal the suckers from the real people. Okay, time is gonna.
The agents too. And you know what? I would love the cop to tell people how the inner workings of the child support work when they contract police officers to come and take people up. I want him to explain that since he's for the people.
Oh, the cop that said he was the cop who said he was a victim. I was a victim, guys.
Yeah. If you are a retired cop, you have a wealth of knowledge that you can tell people about the inner process of how these contracts are passed to law enforcement to come after these people.
Nah, nigga. You was a victim of being a soft ass nigga and letting that bitch take your ass to the wrangler for your money, nigga. That's what you a victim of, nigga. You a victim because you was soft. You a victim because you was a bitch ass nigga. You a victim because you was a coward motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? Get on here talking grown ass man. I was a victim of the agency.
Until we talked about this. Stop making people cry. Didn't we talk about this? We talked about you can't keep making people cry, man. Damn.
Man, emotional ass.
Didn't we just talk about that? Wasil, don't you be calling people's mamas a motherfucker and making them cry and shit. You know they sensitive.
Man, dude, I'm gonna tell you the reason why I am that I am. You already know why the reason why I'm the way I am?
What is it, brother?
Because if I lost a fight, my daddy would beat my ass for losing a fight.
He will beat your ass.
Right? And I don't believe in losing.
Twice. One for losing and one for not trying.
Right. And then my daddy was so cold, he beat the hoe out of my sister. Okay? He beat the hoe out of her. He beat the hoe out of her. And one time, some girls was trying to fuck with her. My daddy took her down there and let them fight. You gonna fight?
Right.
You can't let nobody bully. What you do with a bully when a motherfucker keep fucking with you? You go whoop that motherfucker. Hey man, don't nothing but a lick hurt. You go knock a motherfucker ass out if he keep fucking playing with you. And that's what we got in this child support arena. We got niggas letting these people play with them. And they're going to knock them out. And they're going to complain and whine and cry. You know what I mean? And then they're going to go to the emotional channels that can say, let's shut down the agency. We want to talk nice and talk proper and shit. That shit ain't nothing.
Hey, man. died when you told me you seen a store called Country Bumpkin, man. I died, man.
Yeah, I seen the store called the Country Bumpkin, man. I was going somewhere traveling down the highway, man. I busted out laughing like a motherfucker. You know what I mean? All these niggas talk, speaking this old "we shall overcome child support" speech shit. Man, get the fuck out of here. They gonna sell you some templates and shit. Man, get the fuck out of here, nigga. Fuck out of here with that old bullshit. You know what I mean? Niggas is weak. Niggas is weak out here. They claim to be hard while showing their face, but they'll let somebody come pick their ass up and throw them in jail. Talking about,
Hold on a second.
like I said, niggas be talking like they so hard. We finna sign out, fellas. You know what I mean? Sunday gonna be even harder. I'm gonna put up some more books Sunday. We got some more books coming up Sunday, okay? Give y'all a little booster. And after that, man, I'm probably gonna sit and chill and watch niggas make ass of themselves and laugh and eat me some popcorn. Real talk.
Hey.
Yeah.
I gotta sign off. But man, gave so much information on this. They need to play this back tricefold.
Man, I'm finna sign off too, man. When we out, my brother. Peace, everybody.
Yeah. I got some business to take care of, but man, review this information and take it in because we're keeping it real with y'all, man.
All right, bro. Peace.
I see.